Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and you're staring at a blank table. The reason for that is because I have been asked, what do you put on a table when you're doing tarot readings? And there are two different types of tarot setting. One is when you're doing readings at home, so you just pop, like I would put a full-length tablecloth over a table. I don't want to smooth it out too much because it will jiggle the camera. The second one you need is a tarot cloth, and obviously a little bit better ironed than that. So I basically put a full length cover on and then a tarot cloth. In the middle, between the client and I would always lay a crystal. So amethyst is a really good one because it's actually for healing and for tranquility. In addition to that, I may use a smoky quartz, which would give me, dispel any negativity. I have my favourite quartz, which I can just, it fits in my thumb. And this is one I use when I'm trying to get a little bit of clarity on something I'm probably seeing. So I use that quite a bit actually. So I would have those, and then I would have my trusty cards. Now, when you are reading at home, or when you're reading from wherever you're reading from, it's a good idea to maybe light a candle, try and or some incense, just to create that atmosphere. So essentially that's all I have, are those items there. Now if I'm reading at a fair, I will also add a picture frame, something like this, and within the picture frame I will have the rates that I'm charging for the fair. I'll usually pop it over there somewhere. Can you just see it there? It's a much bigger table for when you're reading at fair, so I'll have something there that tells them how much it is. In addition to that, on the far, I'm just trying to left or right, left, then I will also place a booking form, and then you just literally, I'll put an example of that, I'll flash up on the screen in a second or two to let you know what that looks like. The trick there is to remember that you need to give yourself a lunch break, so block it out. And in addition to that, if the fair is leaving at 5, then your last reading will be 4:30, so you can't take anything after that. So that's pretty much it. So cloth, crystals, cards. If you're doing a psychic fair, then you would add in your point of sale, which is obviously your frame, some business cards or a flyer. I sometimes have that over there with on this side here, so people can pick it up and wander off and have a look at the card if they want to. And then a standee behind me, which has, it's a roller banner, I think you call it, which has my name and a bit more blurb about me. So that's what I'll have at the fair. So it's quite an easy bits and pieces to carry around with me. So that's it. That's what I do for the table. Hope you found that helpful. Please do leave any questions you may have in the comments and I will reply. Thanks very much. Bye bye.